This is the iPhone 12 Pro Max Pro phone scope case. It's got the 4 rubber bumpers in the corners along with the foam strips. Let me just pop the phone out and we will show you those. Just take one corner at a time. There you go. So there's those open cell foam strips I was referring to. That keeps the phone floating. It's a free floating case design. So the phone is essentially floating in the case, all while having your camera lens centered perfectly so you can take pictures and video through your binoculars or spotting scope. So there's the inside, and there is the back adjustable tab here, so you just pull up on that, and then the disc will slide up, drops in like that. So those drop into the center, and then from there slide the disc up. That centers it over the top lens, which is the 2.5x lens. So if you want the 1x lens, you will just slide that down to the bottom, make sure that pin engages, and there you're centered over the 1x lens. It does have a third lens, but that is a super wide and won't be used for digiscoping. So to install, just slide your phone to the top there, and with these newer cases, just come down to the bottom, and these will get a memory to them over time, but as you can see, sometimes they'll pull down out of there. What you can do is just take some super glue or some epoxy, and if that's a problem, just put a little bit there and that will hold that in place. But all you really have to do, press on the back of this here, so just push that up, and the phone's inside the rubber bumper. On this side, same thing. So I'll just press on the phone here, and then just as you're pushing on the back of the bumper here, push on that, and then just peel this with your finger. Just push it forward, and it will come over the phone, securing it in the phone scope case. So there it is, the iPhone 12 Pro Max phone scope case. Centers the 1x lens as well as the 2.5x lens, which is the top lens. So there you go. You can pick that up at phonescope.com. Thanks for watching.